Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue practicing spelling. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. Open your book to page 18, spelling lesson 3. Okay? Working with sounds. Listen to the word list again and practice your pronunciation. Then write the correct words in the blanks below. So we are going to listen again the word list. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. Pay attention, please.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing words. Bear, bear. Paw, paw. Winter, winter. Rain, rain. Wet, wet. Race, race. Windy, windy. Window, window. Rainy, rainy.
And the missing word is rat. Excellent. Very good. Okay. We are going to start with the number 1. Okay. Read the instructions. Write 4 words that begin with the W sound as in with. We have windy, window, winter, what? Okay, excellent. Number 2. Which word ends with the O sound as in so? Okay, we have Paul. Okay, excellent. Number 3. Write a 3-letter word that starts with the W sound as in win. I have what? Okay, number 4. Which words begin with the R sound as in red? R, r, rain, rainy, race, rat. Excellent. Number 5. What words ends with the R sound as in fair? Okay, bear. Excellent. And number 6. Write a 3-letter word that starts with R sound. Yes, rat. Excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, we won't work on this part. Okay? Yes? Okay. And remember, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.